and you just snatched it off like that? I sure did. I sure did. And I'm looking crazy. Crazy. Hi you guys, welcome back to my channel. It's West African Queen. Your girl is looking a little crazy, but today is a wash day. My hair has not been washed in over a month. Disgusting. But you know, we're gonna have a good wash day today, and I'm just going to record the process. And y'all not ready for what is underneath. What is underneath? As in, I'm just, yay. Yeah, this is what we're going. I sure did take this off, but we got some growth. Here. We got some growth. But I'm gonna actually start out. I can't believe I look this crazy, man. Let's do a thumbnail. Hold on. I can't believe I look this crazy. But we're going to have a wash day. My hair wasn't twist underneath my Marley twist, so that's why it's looking like all types of crazy. I did blend up a protein treatment. This has egg, a whole avocado. I accidentally put a banana in, but whatever. And then it has grapeseed oil and Jamaican black castor oil. My roommate put me on, so we are going to do this treatment, and you guys are going to watch me put this on this dirty hair. I know y'all see how dirty this hair is, but anyway, let's get to it. So for some reason, I have like a lot of little, I guess, hair. I don't know if it's my hair, because the style that I did was kind of with kinky hair. So I have a lot of that, but I'm just putting a little bit in on this side, so then I'll have enough for the other side. But my curls though, I'll be back when I do this. Yeah, not the banging, oh, not the banging, oh. Okay. Oh, this feels so good. I really forgot how thick this hair is, like, as in, y'all see how thick this is? I see some growth, but you know, the shrinkage just be disrespecting, like, let's see. Okay. So this is how much I have left. I'm just gonna put the rest of it and then I will show you guys what it looks like when I am wrapping it up. This is what my hair is looking like. Very juicy, let me tell you. Let me just turn around. I don't know if you guys can see my curls, but it's like very, very defined. I don't know if my twist that I had underneath like is partaking into this definition, but this, y'all see this? Ooh, let's see. I'm trying to show y'all, but you know it's hard to show 4C texture on camera. But anyway, I'm about to put this put a shower cap on and let it sit for like 30 to 45 minutes, however I feel, and then we're gonna rinse it out and, you know, start the washing process. But it feels good. This feels so good. Like, oh, it feels good. Let me see y'all later. So excuse the crusty lips, but this is how my hair is looking like. Make sure I'm zoomed out. It's how my hair looking like after washing the protein treatment out, and we about to shampoo it and stuff. So whew, it's looking healthy though. I got my edges kinda. I don't know about this side, but it's there. All right. This is the end of the video. I am done with my wash day overnight situation. I just put my hair up in a pineapple bun thingy. All my natural people know what the hell I be talking about. If you guys enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.